dear friends, welcome to our channel RJSN. It's me Shabas from Qatar and welcome to the tutorial for how to solve a Rubik's Cube part 2. In this tutorial, we are going to complete the white. So let's go to the video. Okay guys, as you can see, we already did a white plus. Now we should complete the white. So you should keep the white piece below you and the yellow centerpiece upper of the cube. Then you should take this, you should look this two upper right piece and upper left piece. You should have a white piece here or here. So rotate the cube until you find it. So as you can see, I have one here. Then you should look the color that is aside of it. In my case, it is orange. Then you should align this orange to orange center diagonally. Then look for the orange piece. Then align this white orange piece. Don't look this color. You should align white orange piece diagonally lined to this orange centerpiece. Then you should, if the white piece is in the left, then you should do this move. Left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left clockwise. There you go. You have the piece right there. Then take another color. I have right here. Look aside of it, blue. Align the blue with the blue. Left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, and left clockwise. As you can see, I have right here. Now I am looking for right piece, but in my case I don't have a right piece. So I am gonna show you how the right piece will look like. Okay guys, as you can see, I have one white piece right of me. So you should do this move. Right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise. Now you can see you have one piece right here. And if you have one white piece upper of your cube, you should do another move. So I will show what it will look like. Okay guys, this will look like this. I have one white piece of upper of me. So you should first look, is there any white piece below this corner piece? So you should look below. As you can see, I have already one white piece here. So you should move to an empty place. As you can see, I have one empty place here. So I am taking this and turning to that place. So I have no white piece below it. Then I am gonna do this move. Right clockwise, top 180, which is twice. Then right counterclockwise. You can do this move as well. If you are right-hander, you can do this. If you are left-hander, you can hold the cube like this. I am a right-hander. I will show how the move is. Left counterclockwise, top 180. Top 180 means you can rotate the cube which way you want. You can rotate the cube this way or this way. It is the same move. Then left clockwise. As you can see, I have only one left. Then you should look for it. Then you should align the color with it diagonally. Then left clockwise. If it is in the left counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, left clockwise. There you go. You have completed the white fully. You completed the white. Now if you look every color, you can see one T. So as you can see, I have one T here, every side. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Okay, it's RJSN signing out.